Alright, well, I went to the other thrift store today and I brought the camera in to see if any of the lenses they had would fit. And they had some really nice lenses for like 14 bucks. Some really cool zoom lenses. I don't know what they were, but none of them fit. So, unfortunately, I didn't find anything. They had a ton of these lenses like last week at that other place, and now they're just all gone. But I met some interesting people in the store that were talking to me about they used to use these in the Army. So I thought Eric might get a kick out of that. So the guy said he went into the Army in 1984, which is probably about the same time that you did. And he talked about all the different places he was at, and he did photography in the Army. He was telling me how they would get upset when he would adjust his hat to take pictures. Anyway, he said he was in Germany and all these other places, but he knew this camera as soon as he saw it. And he said that they used to set up their own developing lab and whatever. And I guess it was at first done for fun, and then the Army decided that they needed him to do it for other things. So it was kind of a cool conversation with him. He's a regular guy that I see at the Goodwill, but I saw him at the other place, so it was kind of cool. So he seemed to really like this camera. So we'll keep looking for a lens, and every time I find a lens I don't know what it is at the Goodwill, I'll just buy it and bring it home, and if it fits, it fits. If it doesn't, I'll return it. The worst thing that happens is I might buy a lens that might fit my Nikon, and then I can keep it. So I could go get a 50mm prime lens, I think on eBay, for like 20 bucks. Anywhere from 20 to 200. It's just all over the place. So that's the pentax report, Eric.